Yo, Caesar, wake up. You're a few months late.
I'm late. Huh? It's not September?
It's December now. I'm gonna make a video.
Hey guys, it seems it's been a long time. I'm sorry that I didn't even upload a video until right now. As you know, today is December, and basically I didn't even upload a video for 3 months, I think. Possibly 3 months. It's just been busy with school and stuff. I just started school on September. I am pursuing my dreams to be a theater kid during school, as you can see by this next video.
I guess most guys don't even talk to girls. You blow them up as much as you have been. And most guys don't get into a fucking bizarre relationship where they go to their met and they yell at for 3 weeks and
Amazing, right? Well, I'm not gonna keep you guys here for so long, and basically what I did here in this vlog is I went to Powerscourt in County Wicklow. Basically it's a waterfall, and I went to Bray after that. If you guys like this content, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and remember to give this a thumbs up. Oh, one more thing. As you can see, I don't have any access to my computer. Yeah, this thing just broke, so I couldn't find a way to edit my videos until I have this edit app in my phone. So all of my videos are gonna be like probably once a month or once every 2 months. So now that's everything out of the way, let's get back into the video. Enjoy. Good morning guys, it's 12 in the afternoon and it's Thursday, and it's one of my free days for today, so there are no classes for me today, and we're going to Powerscourt, so I'm gonna change into my attire and eat breakfast. So guys, I'll see you in a bit. Bye. So we're going, and if you guys don't know what Powerscourt is, it's a place where there's a garden and a waterfall in County Wicklow. Oh, also, check this out. We're going for a ride in this bad boy. We're starting dance, hey. Guys, so we arrived at Powerscourt. It's really nice. Wow, look at the amazing view though. So we're heading over towards the waterfall. They said that it's the highest waterfall here in Ireland. What?
This feels so much pressure.
And our dog is peeing. What the hell? Okay. Oh. Anyway, so we're approaching the waterfall. This is the highest waterfall here in Ireland. And wow, look at this. There is the waterfall that we're approaching. We haven't been here for a long time. Since, I don't know, 2010?
11 years?
I don't know. I can't count. This is cool. So we're approaching the waterfall. Oh my god.
Anak, yakapin mo ulit.
There's a tree. It's a tree. Oh my god, it's so... It's so soft.
Kung unang ko ikaw ng picture dyan na mapakita ko yung dance. Ayan yung yakap natin.
Do you remember this guy? So guys, this is a good scenery of the waterfall here, and I'll take a picture of what my view would be in just seconds. And so, hi Jenna, what are you doing? What? Feel the tree. Okay. I'm going closer. What do you want me to do?
Feel the tree.
Okay, I'll feel the tree. Oh wow, it's furry. It's so mossy though. It's really mossy. Oh wow. Just look at that beautiful waterfall. My god. So this is the waterfall very, very up close. We're on a stone, and this the waterfall and face to face. Oh wow, it's a close-up shot though, so we need to be careful because we have to get back down there now, right, Jenna?
All we got is time, so stay a while, stay a while.
Okay guys, so we were leaving the Powerscourt Waterfalls, and we're heading down to Bray now to eat there, and probably we're gonna shop there too. Well, Bray is like a 995. Well, Bray is like a harbor, so basically we might buy some fish there and stuff. And we're gonna eat fish and chips. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we head to Bray. So I don't know what kind of plans we're going to do here. We might go to an arcade, we might go for a hike, we will eat at Obviously we'll eat at a restaurant, but I need to wear a mask, and I brought a mask, and I need my COVID certificate too, so yeah, that's a good start. Okay then. This is the arcade. Do you want a keychain?
Those are so cute.
It's easy to get.
They're so cute.
It's easy to
Are you gonna get one for me? Okay, aim for.
That one's falling off. That one's almost.
Aim for the black one. Aim for those devil ones. I want those. Ooh. If you get this for real, I'm gonna be so impressed with you. They're so cute.
Well, this is an awkward seating, well, position actually. Well, anyways guys, that's the end of the video for this vlog. Well, I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded for a couple of months now, guys. I've been busy, so I'm not gonna keep you for too long. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you like more contents like this. Anyways, goodbye guys. See you in the next vlog.